Nechikosoria ichikagere gochaka ime county ya Kisii ase amatuka bwangoiga nigo litkoria rero abaorokia bechi timu nabo igo referees abachikonyora amaigerio bunenchire yemochio yokweyariga nibosio bwechikosoria echo muroberio yo nigo korekana ase nsemo yagetembe ime omucho bosongo no morikyo itonde mo Stephen na ikirana na tigatoigwe ntara ya bwate
bosio bokwenda gwechikosori kia Kisii County League Nyanza Regional League nechi league chaigoro ninga bwatani benko emerogongo rwa gusiva cha kiremero byo kwena kibuno kubwatira no kuyankorororo wetera abaorokia banene bechi timu abuna babugichi stream bikona kibuno koigwa no kuyankorororo wetera maigiri agendrete asense moya getembe
itwache training ya 4 days iyo jakobera getembe me training yo so bali very active. There is new laws chachire. There is issue ya even penalty shoot up. There is the issue ya work for free kick. There is issue, there is amendments cha football cha veira. That's why la turega iga toba somye and bamanye what they are supposed to apply in the field.
So we are very much happy for the federation plus the FKF plus the FIFA itself that to bring this training today here. For those ones who have not trained, I want to encourage them in a very special way. Please be with us and be a referee.
Omurobiro nigo rengete kwene kibuna ko bwatera no kuyangororo gati ya bwatani ababanene benko yo kwene kibuna ise chiligi kirabe chigo chaka nigeme chandera nyale ko borore erake ko kwengani ne miaka ya maega
na sababu tokonyoranga koranyora turi some challenges as of session konyoranga karwa chiriko ofshete mopira maybe kuna makosa imefanyika konyoranga mwabere framed. Now because of that, that's why we are here to say that we have been equipped well and skilled well. We
are hoping in next season tokogenda to around in KPL. Even you know the Cup of Nations a president never towards Cup of Nations 2027.
Chinga kiecho ni gabaorokia banene banyalire kogokera ense ya Kenya koira na inse omo bwa FIFA asebono batere bure nyane ko baigurire ebisieri ebinene byokonyara kubugichi sirimbi nonyase chigosori cheigoro Chirefari buna bantu bande bonsi mbabwate mechando bagwetera buna bakwerera Ndizi TV
challenges chintanga ni chire iganchi joko nyartu abere trained buna referees ka twachire meeting mwe bategere gotoka bagokora appointment ya referees kujia CG field yanyere kananga jiri farinjire chiko kora registration ya jakora aviation jaje jasomi batekera appointment yo koru njiko nyara kubajiko yo mupira
ogusaba ko ane mune referee goso muntu wanjite chiko sorry nare gusaba ngakera nyare kane tikatonyore biti playing ground chire chingiya so that abagosori baito banyare ko nyare kipawa na referees intonyore chinjaris
gatie mechando erengire gokeana na gwetera somoroberi oyo no kware no kubatera no kuyankororo gati ababugichi sirembi na bwatari bechi team kwana kibuna kere chigosori chikobugigu abwatani bonse mbanyare gutabirana na machibwa se chigosori omoroberi yo nigo ragenderera se wiki ya kwene kibuna abwatani benko yo banyodo bomanyibwa ime ko reporter ya Ndizi TV korwaiga asense moya getembe gotoka ime ya obogatakati bo mucho bosongo Ere taria nende mo Stephen Captain 001